Hi, my name's David, the founder of Burnup Company Vintage Motorcycles here in West Palm Beach, Florida. Today we're going to be installing new rear suspension on my 1973 Moto Guzzi V7 Sport, and we'll be using Ikon suspension units. Ikon is a family-owned and operated company. They've been doing this since 1962, based out of Australia, and they make beautiful new suspension units that handle with all the modern technology but with the retro look. I love the appearance of these original shocks. However, these are the original units from 1973, so they're pretty worn out, and you can definitely feel it when you go over bumps. In order to mimic the original suspension as best we could, we ordered the chrome springs for the new Ikon units, and it should look pretty close to original when we're done. Here at Burnup Company, we are Florida's premier Ikon suspension dealer, so if you're looking for any replacement units for your own bike, feel free to give us a shout.